Hey everyone, Laura here. Today I'm going to show you the 5 best AI tools that are changing the game for students and professors in higher education. If you're drowning in assignments, research papers, or just need help organizing your academic life, these tools will be absolute lifesavers. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Elephas, a smart helper made specifically for Mac users in higher education. What makes Elephas special is how it combines information management with powerful AI to make your academic work easier. It connects with all your files and note apps to build a personal knowledge collection that grows as you learn. The Super Brain feature is honestly amazing. It lets you create a living knowledge base from all your study materials and research papers, making it super easy to find what you need when writing papers. Speaking of writing, Elephas offers different writing styles to help with your assignments, provides citations from your materials, and even works offline so you can study anywhere. The only real downside, it's only available for Mac users, takes some time to learn all the features, and some users wish there was a manual to help understand all the different ways to use it. Users absolutely love this tool. One reviewer called it a game changer for productivity and said it saved them tons of hours creating Google Sheets formulas. Another user mentioned it's like having a Swiss knife tool for content creation and praised the team for constantly updating the app. There's also a review calling it excellent value for money and mentioning how it saves a lot of time when writing. Moving on to Notion AI, which enhances the already versatile Notion Workspace platform. This tool combines AI with everyday document management and note-taking features to help with summarizing text, creating outlines, improving your writing, and translating content. Notion works great for students, writers, and professionals wanting to boost productivity. Whether you're creating new content ideas, improving existing documents, or simplifying complex text, Notion AI streamlines the whole process. Looking at the reviews, people are loving it. One user gave it 5 stars and called it incredible software, easy to use and customize. They mentioned how it helped improve their productivity and planning. However, another reviewer rated it 3 stars, saying it looks nice but can be a bit overkill on the features and too complicated for their needs. Some users also don't like that it has limited offline usage. Next up is Gemini, Google's newest AI technology. It combines language processing with the ability to handle text, images, and code. Using Google's most advanced AI model, it provides detailed responses, creates content, and helps with various tasks from coding to image analysis. The platform stands out for its processing power. It can handle inputs 1,000 times longer than previous versions. Whether you're analyzing documents, creating images, or getting coding help, it works smoothly with other Google services. Reviews for Gemini are mixed, though. One reviewer gave it 4.5 stars, praising its story writing and human-like responses, but mentioned it sucks at coding. Another user gave it just 1 star, saying it has a lot of improvement needed and constantly provides the wrong answers, despite Google having access to so much knowledge. Now let's look at Google Notebook LM, a helpful web tool that makes working with documents easier. You can upload up to 20 files like PDFs and Google Docs into one workspace, and it uses Google's AI to analyze these documents and help you understand them better. While there aren't many reviews for this tool yet, it's completely free and offers some impressive features. It can process up to 4 million words, keeps your documents private and secure, and provides automatic citations. It also offers smooth collaboration through easy notebook sharing and works across all your devices with Cloud Sync. And finally, we have Google Scholar, a search engine specifically made for academic and research purposes. This free tool works like regular Google, but focuses only on scholarly content from universities, publishers, and academic websites. Although there aren't many user reviews available for Google Scholar, it's been a trusted resource for students and researchers for years. It provides free access to a vast collection of academic resources, offers convenient citation tools in multiple formats, and connects users to institutional libraries for full-text access. The familiar Google-style interface makes it super easy to navigate. After reviewing all these amazing tools, I have to say Elephas really stands out as the complete package for students and academics. Their tagline, "Save 20 hours a week," isn't just marketing. Users consistently report massive time savings. The Super Brain feature alone puts it ahead of the competition by creating that personalized knowledge hub that understands your specific materials. If you're a Mac user, you absolutely need to try this out. They offer a free trial so you can experience the magic yourself before subscribing. I've been using it for my research papers, and trust me, it's changed my entire academic workflow. Click the link in the description to check it out and start saving time today. That's it for today's video on the best AI tools for higher education. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational tech tips. Thanks for watching.